these three things na gusto ko matutunan nyo while conducting. First is the conducting window. So, ano ba itong conducting window? So, the conducting window, ito yung parang imaginary window. So for example, ito, nandito ako ngayon. So, nag-imagine ako, there's a window here. And then yung kamay ko, nandito lang. Hindi parang kung saan pumupunta yung kamay ko, no? So for example, if you're going to conduct, halimbawa 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hindi. 1. Kasi nandito lang yung conducting window. Ito lang yun, no? Ito lang yung conducting window mo. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay po ba yan? Okay, so that is the conducting window. So mamaya mag-imagine tayo ng conducting window, no? Number 2 is the ictus. Ictus is very, very important. Ano ba yung ictus? Sino nakaka ng... Yung ba yung nakikita sa desert? Yung ictus. Hindi, joke lang. Cactus. Cactus pa yun. Okay. But ictus is basically yung point. That is the point. One. So imagine if wala tayong ictus, matukonda ka ng ganyan. Walang ictus, no? But if there's an ictus, there's a point. Pam. No? Nakikita niyo ba ako? So you have this pam. 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 Nakikita ng mga singers yung pam. Yung point. Pam. 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 So that is the ictus. And then the third one is the rebound. Very important. Now, if you have this ictus, the rebound is the preparation for the next ictus. No? So, pump. Nakita niyo yung bouncing sound? Bouncing effect. Pump. 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 That is your rebound. So kapag kayo nag-conduct, it's very important na makita yung mga bagay na yun. So, ictus, pump, rebound, pump, 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 pump. Is that clear? Okay, sige. Yan po yung ating tatlong bagay, no? Conducting window, ictus, and rebound. Okay, good.